Oh, I just saw that LR10 Gaming had uploaded a Minecraft video on a computer in Minecraft. I am interested.
At the beginning when I started recording, I looked at
I
OBS
finally get
Studios
to see it.
and it was recording. And somehow it cut off during the whole thing. But anyway, this is PC land and this is the first thing I've built and it's getting dark.
Hot, that is very funny LR10 Gaming, but can I now see the actual computer you built?
I just
Oh,
changed
so you built this
way because it's the
looking
correct way to
computer
have
that
it.
you put no effort into
And you
and
got,
do a
like, back
video
of the
about
case
it.
there.
You're a disgrace
So
to computers.
yeah, that's kind of what happened there. Not bad.
Sarcasm
So
detected.
today we're going to be building the monitor. Right, I'm going to do a time lapse for this. It's not going to take too long, but anyway, time lapse is starting now. Actually, that's looking pretty good.
No, and then he
Pretty
starts
good.
building the screen, which takes some time.
Background of their logo, which is cool. Done. Alright, nice. Kind of looks like Windows 7 or Windows XP, doesn't it? Right, now to do the back, so we don't see screens on both sides.
That
It looks
does not
game,
look
I
like
know,
a
but
keyboard.
It's good. It's good. Good.
What the fuck did I just hear?
Right, now time. Oh my god, this looks so bad. I don't like building mouses in Minecraft. It just looks like this. This does not look like a mouse, it looks like a button.
It looks like your future.
Okay, this is just gonna be like the scroll thing and it looks like that. Yeah, I'm gonna go, oh yeah, that looks better. Okay, I'm gonna go with that. And then if we go ahead and grab this side, because that's what side the power button's normally on. I mean,
Yes,
not the power
just grab
button,
a random
power.
part of the screen and pretend it's the
What?
graphics input port. That's not how screens work.
This is the weird looking wire I've ever built. I mean, to be honest though, it's very hard to build a wire. And then that just goes into the last one. I mean, it looks weird, but it'll do. Alright, going through the components of this PC here. So we have the storage and stuff
Took it
in
too
there.
literally.
We have a GTX 1080 Ti.
Looks nothing like
we
it.
have the M.2 drive
What
there.
the
We got
fuck
the,
are you talking
CPU
about?
cooler,
Which he put on
8
backwards.
gigabytes of RAM on
Seems
per side, so it
integrated.
adds up to 16 gigabytes. We've got the power supply down there.
That's a power supply.
Which has the switch there to turn it on and off. There's a 120mm fan there.
I am not
Three
even going into the fans.
120mm fans on the front. So yeah, pretty good. I know the fan's bigger on that side.
A
compared to that
scientific
side, it's just
discovery
that
was
if I
made.
put that with that, it looks weird. So might make these fans the same size. But to be honest though, not bad going for me.
Oh, sure not. Apart from having the graphics card is not plugged into the screen, the GPU is not even accessible. It is at the center of the tower and not the side. The power supply doesn't connect any of the hardware inside the tower. There is no CD drive. You can't even because there are too many fans. I recommend that you look at an image while building. And you said you want to build a PC.
At the moment on YouTube I'm watching how to build a PC, that's it. So something that isn't coming up to you yet. But okay, fine. You're building a PC. And he says it's easy. Well, it is when you know what you're doing.
It's a blimming game. I wasn't trying to make it realistic. And you don't need a disk drive.
But that doesn't mean you can't add details. Oh, it's 2019 and everything is downloaded from the web.
Well, I'm not even done with it yet. That video is part 1.
Why don't you build a PC in Minecraft?
Are you challenging me? Well, be it. Are you all ready? Here it is. A massive build. Here is the power button. It has an item that is closest to this. Here we have the USB 3 ports for the keyboard and mouse. And we also have a CD-ROM and RW drive. And now the most important part of the video. The inside circuitry of the computer. Here is a 360 view of the case. It is a custom, designed by me. Here we got the status lights. We got some for the CD drive. And also got some for the power. Here is the eject button for the CD drives. Let me show you the inside of the CD-ROM drive. Here we got the spindle. And the laser pickup. The disc tray with the disc aligner. The outside of the CD drives. They are both fully supplied with power by 4-pin peripherals, which are connected to the power supply, and have IDE cables to the motherboard. Now moving on to the power supply unit. Here are all the wires exiting the PSU. The PSU heatsink in front of the fan. The C13 power in. And then all the other bullshit you can find in the power supply like resistors, capacitors, and coils. The motherboard also powered by a 24-pin connector and with an extension port card. The port card featuring most of the audio ins and outs. Some PS2 ports for both old mouses and keyboards. The Ethernet port. Parallel and 3 USB ports. A DVI port from the graphics card. The graphics card itself, the Asus Radeon R7 360. Yes, that's right, a 2015 GPU with a DVI port. I feel like it's outdated. Here we got 4 gigabits of DDR4 RAM. We even have a Wi-Fi receiver card. Now moving on to the processor, an Intel Core i7-6700K clocked in at the base speed of 4.00 GHz, firmly held on by a stock Intel cooler. And finally moving on to the 2 hard drives. Connected also with the IDE cable. Both of them with the capacity of 2 terabytes. Here is the inside of one. It's a dual-plater, 3800 RPM hard drive. And that is all there is inside this somewhat sleeper gaming PC. Another speedy 360 around the case. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, because it took a lot of effort. And with that comparison between LR10 Gaming's PC and mine, we can state the importance of detail. But that will be it for this video. So the next time anyone builds a computer, just make sure that it is better than this, especially if you want to make a video about it. So I will see in the next video that someone want to see me build. There is just one rule. It must be some sort of technology. Okay, bye.